Dog here. I want to show you guys a product I just got in. I went out for a little ride here. It's starting to get a little crisp, but I went out and scooted around a little bit, and I got these new gloves from a company called Kemimoto. You guys ever heard of these guys, Kemimoto? They make a nice glove. Look at this tough looking glove. These are heated gloves, guys. So cool. See right here? Look at this. One thing too, they have a nice knuckle guard on them, so if you get debris coming off the highway or something, you're just gonna hit that instead of hitting you. Also, these are heated gloves. They have a nice little pack right here in the base. And watch this. See this button right here? I'm gonna turn this on. And look at that. And you can heat the fingers, and it also heats the palm. Very cool. So, and you can adjust this. See, I can turn the back or the palm on, and then I can turn the top on. Now, if you hit it in the middle, watch this. It has 3 levels. I can turn them down. Well, let me get it to work. There you go. Turn that one down, or I can leave that one up. I can turn that one back. That's medium. And I can leave that one on low, and I can leave that one on medium if I want. So it's cool that you have that customization of each of the sections in the glove itself. Very cool. And you can you know, while you're riding, you can reach over and adjust if you needed to, because the button is right there. Very handy. Now, and if you want to turn it off, you just hold it and it turns off completely. See there, this one's on low, and you can go to, you see how it adjusts there? You can go up to the fingers, keep it on low, or you can put it on high. You can put just the fingers on medium, or you can put just the fingers on low, and you can keep this one on high if you want. Now these gloves, the charge on these little packs will last up to 6 hours. Now of course it really depends on how long you're riding. It also depends on, you know, weather conditions and so forth. We're kind of crisp here. We're just getting into fall really. It's about maybe 50 degrees here. So, but these are gonna be great for riding in the winter, especially if your bars don't have hand protectors on them. This one has a little fairing on it. This particular bike I'm riding has a fairing on it, but it doesn't have hand protectors. So hands are gonna get cold in that wind. So these will be great. Anyway, nice gloves, guys. They also have a nice little cinch buckle there. See that? Easy to pull over even with your glove on. You can pull that over, cinch it down. It's got a good wide back on it with this nice opening, and it's gathered around the back, so you can get your coat up in there, your leathers or your heavy coat up in there when you're riding late in the wintertime. But nice gloves, guys, and they look tough, don't they? Aren't those good looking gloves? Anyway, that's what I think. I think they're great gloves. Gonna be great for riding this winter. That's what I think, guys. Y'all take care. The old Ratty Dog is signing off. Take care.